Okay. So it is treat time again. Yep, excuse me, kids. And right now, the chair is only really useful for super assertive birds, but it's going to have an important function for when Sweet Potato comes back out here. Simply because there is not enough space on the chair for the entire loft full of birds to crowd. I know, you're gonna have to wait your turn. Pippin's a good boy. Pippin waited. No. Now waited. Good cheeks. Good girl. Okay. Oh, hey, Bean. Hey, Bean. Good boy. All right. Now Gus can have his treat. Good boy. Good Gus. Valentine can have her treat. Sissy can have his treat. Cheeks can have hers. Gus can have his now. There you go. Oh, he threw it, baby. Hold on. Hold on, Gus. Gus. Treat for you. Treat for you. Pippin can have his treat. He waited like a good boy. Rigby. Good girl, Rigby. Good girl, Tandy. Now we'll go back around. Oh, hi, Jet. Would you like one? That good boy like a treat? Oh, he would, but he needs to, oh, you dropped it. You need to actually take it from me, Jet. Here you go. Here you go. It's for you. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy that time. Okay, here, Valentine. Here, Pippin. Good boy. Here's Sissy. Good boy. Here, Cookie. Good girl. No, Gus. There, Rigby. Good girl. I'm coming, Hagrid. There, Hagrid. Good girl. Hagrid, don't start shit with Tandy. Here, Tandy. Good girl. That's a rotten one. No, it's not rotten. It's just empty. Here, Gus. Good boy. Okay. Hello, Mia. Good boy. Don't fight Mia. Jed. Yeah, good boy. Valentine, don't start shit with Jed. Valentine. Here, Pippin. Thank you. There's Sissy. Good boy. Hold on, Gus. Here, Cheeks. Good girl. Here, Gus. Good boy. Good boy, Gus. Yay. Here, Rigby. Good girl. Be nice to Hagrid. Here, Hagrid. Oh, I dropped it. Sorry, baby. Hang on. Gotta get you moving. There, Hagrid. Good girl. Hi, Tandy. Good girl. Hey, Usher. Usher. There you go. Oh, no, Emilio, there's not enough space. Here, Jet. Whoever is on my head, I can't tell who you are. Don't fight your wife. Here, Usher. No, PJ, this is for Usher. Wanna come back up here, PJ? No? Okay. Here, Cookie. Here's Sissy. Hey, Emilio. Here, Gus. Good boy. There you go, Rigby. Good girl. Here you go, Hagrid. Oh, sorry, Tandy. Hold on a second, Tandy. No, oh, you missed, baby. Good girl. Good Tandy. Okay, there's a Pippin. Good boy. I don't know who this is on my head. It might be a Jet. I don't know. Here, Cookie. Oh, that one may not have been good. Here. There you go, Cookie. Hey, Valentine. Good girl. go, Sissy. This one's for Gus. Thank you. You can bother me for treats, but you cannot bully other birds out of the way. You'll have to forgive me. My nose is so itchy today. Here, Rigby. Hey, good girl. Hey, Hagrid. Hey, good girl. Whoever's on my head, you need to come down. Is that a Kara? That's a Kara. Hey, Kara. You need to either come down or get where I can identify you. Once I identify you, I can give you a treat. Here, Pippin. Here, Cookie. Good girl. Here, Sissy. Good boy. Hold on, Gus. Here, Gus. Good boy. Good boy. You're paying more attention to me and less to the birds around you. Good boy, Gus. There you go, Sony. Get it quick. Oh, no. Here, Cheeks. Get it quick while Gus is occupied. Good girl, Rigby. There you go, Hagrid. Good girl. That's still Kara up there? Somewhere I can see your face. Good girl. That's a Kara. She can have a treat. Hold on. Betty. No? Okay. You're Pippin. You're Cookie. You're Sissy. Good boy. That's a good Gus. Good Gus. Good boy. Look at that. Good Gus. There's a good Gus. There's a good Rigby. They're birds. Kara? Thank you. Oh, hi, Valentine. Here, Valentine. Good girl. You're Pippin. Good boy. Here, Escher. Good girl. Hold on, Cookie. 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 That's for you. There's Sissy. Thank you, Sissy. Good boy. Here, Gus, Gus. Good boy. Don't be smacky. Here, Rigby. Good girl. Hey, Kara. I can see you now. Here, Kara. Treat for you. Oh, Lord. Is that a Lily? Is that a Lily? Turn where I can see you. Good girl, Lily. Good girl. Lily can have a treat then. Val can have a treat. Hold on, Pippin. Hold on, Pippin. Good boy. Good boy, Pippin. It is Pippin's turn now. Here, Cookie. Good girl. Got an Escher? That's an Escher. There you go, Escher. Good girl. Fighting me is fine. Fighting each other is not. There you go, Sissy. Good boy. Here, Gus. Good boy. Hey, Luca. Come on with yours. Here you go. Good boy. Hi, PJ. There will be space for you eventually. There you go, Rigby. Good girl. No, Gus. It's Kara's turn now. Kara's been waiting patiently. Good girl. That's still a Lily. Hi, Lily. Thank you. Good girl. There you go, Valentine. Good girl. Hi, PJ. Here, PJ. PJ. Take a treat, bud. No, Asher. That's for PJ. That's for PJ. Yep. Never mind, I guess. Hi, Shotzi. Hi, Pippin. Welcome back. Here's Sissy. Good boy. Here, Gus. Good boy. Good Gus. Hi, Hagrid. Thank you, Gus. Here, Emilio. Good boy. Here, Rigby. Good girl. Here, Kara. Good girl. I'm coming, Lily. I did not forget you. Here, Lily. Good girl. Did you drop it? Here, actually take the good girl. Lord. Valentine? Shotzi? Good girl. Sissy? Good boy. Gus, Gus. Good boy. Emilio. Good boy. Here, Rigby. Good girl. All right now, Gus. Bye, Kara. Yes, Lily. Here. Excuse me, Valentine. Thank you, baby. Hey, Pippin. Oh, hey, PJ. Hey, Usher. PJ, would you like a treat? Yeah, I'll bring it to you. Here. Good boy. Lily. No. Usher. That's for an Usher. Good girl. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. Hey, Sissy. That boy is so good waiting his turn. Look at that Gus. Good silly Gus. Oh my God, this Gus. Take this, please. Like a grown-ass man. Wookie. Hey, good boy. Hey, good boy. Here, Emilio. Good boy. Hey, Vinny. Hey, Vinny. There you go. Good boy. Good boy, Vinny. Okay. Pippin. Look at these good birds. Valentine. Good girl. Cheeks. Good girl. Now these very assertive birds are for the most part waiting their turn. Good boy, Sissy. No, Gus. Emilio. Now, Gus. Here, Vinny. Yes, Rigby, it is your turn now. Good girl. Okay. Yes, Pippin, it is now your turn. Good, Pippin. Hi, Valentine. Hi, Valentine. Good girl. Here, Cheeks. Good girl. Oh, no, Pippin. Here, Sissy. Mia, no. Don't play with the camera. There, guys. I'm sorry, guys. My nose itches like crazy. Here, Emilio. Good boy. That's a good boy. Here, Vinny. Good boy. I'm coming, Rigby, baby. There, Rigby. Good girl. Oh, my good Lord. Here, Valentine. Here, Pippin. Good boy. Here, Cheeks. Cheeks, actually take it. Good girl. And Tandy. Hi, Sissy. Good boy. Hey, Gus. Hey, Cookie. Thank you, Mia. Emilio. Good boy. Rigby. Okay, is that PJ on my head? PJ. Good boy. Okay. Yeah, I need to be able to identify you so I can give you a treat. Asher. Treat for Asher. Good girl. Treat for Tandy. Good girl. Hi, Luca. Here, Luca. Yeah. Good birds. Good bird, good Cheeks. Sorry. Here, Sissy. Good luck with that, PJ. Gus. Good bird. Good, Gus. No Tandy. Hey, Emilio. Good boy. Hey, Pippin. Oh my God, PJ. Here's Luca. Good boy. Here, Valentine. Good girl. Hold on, Tandy. Good girl. Here's a Cookie. Or a Cheeks. I'm sorry, Cheeks. Here's a Cheeks. Oh no, I threw it. Hold on, Cheeks. There. Gus. Good boy. You're Vinny. You missed Bud. You're Pippin. There. You're Pippin. Good boy. Who's that on my head? Is that Escher? That's Escher. That's a good girl. Yeah, I need to be able to identify you so I can give you treats. Here, PJ. Good boy. Here, Pippin. Good boy. Here, Valentine. Good girl. Lily. Good girl. Cheeks. Good girl. Sissy. Good boy. Gus. Good boy. Vinny. Good boy. Oh, hi, Jet. Good boy. Okay, PJ or Escher? That's PJ. Good boy. Ow. Lily, that's my face. Escher is behind me. Escher. Escher. Come this way. Oh, you didn't like that. Okay. Yeah. Jet. Good bird. Cheeks. Here, PJ. Luca, no. Here, Sissy. Gus. Pippin. Good boy. That's not a good one. Here, Vinny. Okay, good boy. Here, Tandy. Bye, Rigby. Bye, Rigby. Okay, okay. Okay. We're gonna put the chair down so everybody who hasn't had a turn can get a turn. And also because Luca has probably turned the video off. Come step up, Amelia. Or don't. That works too. Step up and get down, Gus. Let's stand up. Good birds. All right, Luca, that's rude. Oh, yay, perfect timing.